Japan has proposed India to join Global Combat Air Program, a sixth-generation fighter development initiative jointly led by Japan, United Kingdom and Italy. The fighter is expected to enter service by 2035 and will feature low observability, internal weapons bays, extended range on internal fuel and advanced sensor fusion. U.S. Army conducted first-ever live-fire test of its high-powered microwave system in Indo-Pacific region during the joint exercise Balakat in 2025. The trial took place at Naval Station Leovigildo Gantioque in Philippines. Equipped with electro-optical infrared sensor, the system provides precise visual target identification before engagement. According to news source, Taiwan will soon receive first shipment of land-launched RGM-84L4 Block II Harpoon anti-ship missile systems from the United States. The U.S. is expected to provide transportation documentation and coordinate sea shipment to ensure systems arrival in Taiwan before the end of first half of the year. General Atomics Aeronautical Systems has confirmed that development of its new YFQ-42A combat drone is progressing according to schedule. The company announced that flight tests are expected in coming months and full-scale model of drone will be publicly exhibited during the Beale Air and Space Expo.